Hey honey, it's me Tato, back again with recipes that make you wanna cook, and today we're making these delicious chicken wings. To start, season 800 grams of chicken wings with a pinch of salt and pepper, then brown them in hot oil on both sides until they're beautifully golden brown. If you want a beautifully even browned chicken wing, make sure that all the chicken wings have contact with the bottom of the pan. That will allow for a beautiful browning of the chicken on both sides. Depending on your heat level, this should take for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. So the recommended heat would be medium high heat or even high heat. But if you're using high heat, you need to keep an eye on it, okay, honey? You don't want anything to burn. When you're happy with the browning on the chicken, you can go ahead and remove from the pan and set aside. Next, in the same pan, you're gonna add finely chopped red onion. White onion should also do. You're gonna saute that until translucent. Add your finely chopped mixed color bell peppers to the pan and saute until wonderfully translucent and infusing the kitchen with some beautiful aromas. To create that beautiful sauce that we want on the chicken wings, you're going to go ahead and add your dark soy sauce. Remember, all the ingredients will be listed with measurements in the description box down below. Go ahead and add your oyster sauce. You can also go away with Worcestershire sauce. I'm also going to add this gochujang paste. If you don't have this one, you can absolutely use tomato paste. And I'm going to make sure that all the sauces are cooked, but slightly so, for about a minute or two. Then we're going to continue building on those flavors. I'm adding some smoked paprika. I'm also gonna add some dried thyme, some dried rosemary, as well as French tarragon. If you can find fresh herbs, then you can use that as an alternative. Then finally, we're gonna add some chopped garlic and ginger. Now these amounts will depend on how potent you want your sauce to be infused with the taste of ginger, the taste of garlic, honey. So if you want, go wild. Continue to saute for about 30 seconds and return back the chicken wings in there, coat with the sauce and the veggies. Then we're going to continue to let the chicken wings absorb the flavor for about 5 minutes covered on the stove. Make sure to reduce your heat so that they don't overcook. After about 5 minutes of simmering, this is how they are looking. I'm gonna go ahead and stir it once more. I'm also gonna add a depth of flavor by adding a spicy rice seasoning and some spicy seasoning. You can also use some Cajun spice at this point. Beautiful flavors. So if you want it a little bit spicy, I use the traditional brine mix. It has a bit of spice to it, and we're going to add that freshness with the green onion seasoning, just a tad bit, and some onion powder. I'm gonna stir in the spices once more. We're gonna cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, covered until the chicken wings are beautiful and saucy. This is how you want your chicken wings to be looking beautiful. The sauce is the star, honey. Okay, it just brings everything together. You can use it as a dip on the side. You can serve it on bread, honey. Imagine the bread, fresh bread, soaking that beautiful sauce. This recipe, simple, can be done on weekdays, on weekends, on game nights. Delicious, and it will surely make people fall in love with you. Okay, that's it for now, guys. I hope you tried the recipe. If you do, please comment down below and show me some love. I'll show you back some love, and I'll see you on the next one.